Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this was Hannah and she was in for a fresh set yesterday. So we prepped her nails. I applied my tips, which were the my extra long stiletto tips. They are coming back, but they're just a tad different. I kind of thickened them up just a little bit. I felt sometimes the wing part was a little bit too flimsy, so I've changed them just slightly. They're still the same, lovely and long, nice and flat and straight. So yeah, we just cut them to this lovely shape, and now we applied our clear base, and now we're going in with design. So this colour is, I'm really trying not to cough again, Hot Ember. I think that's what it's called. I've just gone, I think that's what it's called. Don't hold me to it, but it might be wrong. But it's a lovely, lovely colour. I done it last week and I really wish I recorded them. And then when she would come in today, I was like, yes, we can record them. So I'm just going to do that colour on all the nails that are plain first. So the baby here and the middle. It's a really, really easy colour to work with. You just need to build up the colour quite a bit. And I'm using my size 12 Tracy Lou brush. So the pointer finger is going to be a chevron now, and I am using, see if you can guess. Take my time. What is that? Yep, you're right. Well done, flawless. So it's flawless. It goes really nice with this colour actually. They go really well. Such a lovely gummy colour. So we're doing a chevron now, so we're just gonna create that. And then I cap it in negligee just for that added glassy look. Add a little bit more pinkness maybe, don't know. So I'm doing my voiceover now because we have a bloody power cut. I know, apparently it was a planned power cut that I didn't know about, and it is for, they're saying it's between 9 and 4. Can you believe it? Last time this happened, it went on for about 9 hours. So, and I had a day full of nails today, so I've had to message everyone and say, like, I can't do your nails, I've got a power cut. How annoying. Worst time to schedule a power cut and then not write to us and tell us about it, but whatever. Here I am, just panicking. I'm not panicking. What can I do? Like, it's out of my hands. What can I do? And it's not like I can even fit anyone back in because I'm just fully booked up until Christmas. I physically can't squeeze anybody in, and I am not working Christmas Eve. I refuse to work Christmas Eve. One, I've got an eye test Christmas Eve anyway. And Monday I'm meeting my friend Sophie, and we're doing like her Christmas Day, so I can't do that either. And I deserve at least 2 days off. I have a family, you know. So as much as I feel awful and bad, it's just out of my hands. I feel like Charles Dickens, pure darkness. Anyway, so we did have Chevron now, and then on the thumb we was doing a glitter fade, so I just wanted to lay that down also. So this colour is a pre-mixed glitter. Oh, here we go. From CJP, and it's called Cherry Fizz. It's literally made for that colour. It's literally made for hot ember. So they're a match made in heaven, like cheese and pickle, salt and pepper. What else do I love? Chips and dip. Actually, I'm not American. Crisps and dip. So I like my crisps. I like Doritos, and then I dip them in sour cream and chive. Yeah, love it. I've actually got some in the fridge. May eat it. Well, I've got some in the fridge, but is it going to be warm? Because we have no power for ages. So yeah, there we go. Look, it's such a nice colour. It goes so well. They were made for each other, I'm sure of it. So we're just building out now up here. And then on the thumb, I am going to use the same glitter, and we're going to do a glitter fade. So I'm just going to do a little speed through of me capping all the nails, and then we're going to come in and file that chevron. Chevron sounds like a posh Sharon. Chevron. Chevron. So we've filed that, and now we're coming in with this colour, and I was gonna do the whole nail, the whole tip, sorry, with this colour, and then last minute we decided to do glitter down the other side. So that's what we're doing. It was perfect. It looked gorgeous, beautiful. So yeah, once I've done that, I'll cap. So I filed, buffed, shaped off camera, and now we're going in with our top coat. So I'm using CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, and we're just going to apply a nice thin layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure for 60 seconds. I applied NAFF Stuff Cuticle Oil in, I didn't give anyone the choice yesterday. I just gave them chocolate orange. It's nice though, and we are good to go. So thank you so much for watching. I'll leave a little clip at the end for you to see, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.